Hey guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and today we are going to do the unboxing and hands-on overview of the Specsmakers bone conduction sunglasses. So we have already reviewed this on our blog, so link to the same will be in the description. Now I'm going to just show you the unboxing part of it. So you may have seen a lot of Specsmaker shops around your home, so they make sunglasses, eyeglasses, etc. So now they have come up with the bone conduction sunglasses. Now that's quite innovative, so we thought of to give it a try. So here is the Specsmaker sunglasses. So to the side you can see it's written, it gives up to 8 hours of phone time. It's CSR 4.0 Bluetooth connectivity. It's an open ear, and it's you can also replace it with your prescription. If you want a prescription sunglass, you can even get that one. So here are some features given, such as it has an ergonomic design, bone protection transducers, touchpad. So it also has UV 400 protection, and it has got logo, mic, and CSR chip. So the model number is G1 here, and the technology it says combine bone conduction technology with the conveyance of Bluetooth headset and comfort of sunglasses to give a true open ear experience, play music, listen audiobooks, podcast, etc. So whenever you're riding your bike or even when you are walking down the lane, you can just wear this in the afternoons or when it's sunny, and you can just take even calls from it. So that's pretty good. You don't need to take off your smartphone. So this will work for you if you want to take calls or listen to music, and it serves a dual purpose. So the model is G1, and you can see it says the battery is 250 mAh and the distance is around 10 to 15 meters, which is obvious that you keep your phone mostly in your pocket itself. And phone call time you get up to 8 hours, music time at 8 hours, and it charges around in 2 hours. Standby is 120, standby time is 120 hours, and Bluetooth mode you can see it has handset, hands-free A2DP, etc. So boxing the box pack, we have this the sunglasses itself to the top. Keeping that to a side, then we have this a quite heavy black color box. Let's see what inside this. So inside this you get this cleaning cloth, which is of very good quality. Then we have the charging cable, so this from which you can charge your sunglasses. Then here we have the earplugs, so you can just use it whenever you want. Then we have this stylish looking case, so it looks quite cool and it looks really amazing. So you just keep it like this and you can just use it anytime you want. So it looks quite premium. It's really well made. So now let us check out the sunglasses itself. So also inside the box pack you get this smart glass user manual and a card which says wear glasses to see the beautiful pattern. So let me first give you a physical overview of the sunglasses. So here you can see that here we have the speakers to this side and this side, and then to this side we have the USB charging slots. You can just put in your micro USB cable and this would get charged. Here we have the volume rockers up and down. So this also button is used to power on and pair the sunglasses. And here are the touch controls. To this side we have the touch controls. So now let me just power it on. So power on, you have to just press this M button for 3 seconds. And here you can see the light is blinking and it vibrates, which means it's powered on. Now if I want to pair it, I'll just press this minus button for 3 seconds and this will go in pairing mode. So you can see this goes in pairing mode now. And let me connect it to my smartphone. So here you can see it shows the touch operation. So you can just press the left side to make the music forward or backward, and answering a phone call, rejecting ending. So here you have some of the instructions which you can see, and you can use your sunglasses. So you can see it says G1. So the sunglasses are paired now and the battery level is at 70%. So let me play a music and show you the sound quality of the same. So here I've played a NCS music, and here you can see you can listen to the music from here as it's bone conduction. You get the music from here, transducers. Here's the touch control. You can see I've just pressed this and the music will get pause. You can see it gets pause. You press this and it will get turn on again. So you can listen to the music quality. The sound is pretty loud. Increase your volume or decrease your volume. So as that was a quick unboxing and hands-on of the Specsmaker G1 audio sunglasses. So if you want to purchase the same, I'll put a link in the description from you can go and buy it. So guys, also if you want to read the full review, link to same will be in the description. So guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan signing off. We'll catch you guys soon in my next video.